Hey, Jason here. Today we're getting back to doing stock analysis, and we're doing one for KeJonah Elston today, and it's Landcadia Holdings. Before I get to that, though, I need to let you know you can get this series as a podcast anywhere in the world for free on all major podcasting platforms: Stitcher, Anchor, SoundCloud, Spotify, iTunes, and more. You can get this as part of the Value Investing, or I Love Value Investing podcast, anywhere in the world for free. And if you like this video and are like our other stock analysis videos, make sure to stick around towards the end, and I can tell you I get some free resources. Okay, so today's a little bit of an interesting company. Yesterday we analyzed BlackBerry for KeJonah. He asked me to analyze 4 stocks for him. We're on stock 204 today, and it's an interesting one to say the least. Landcadia Holdings. KeJonah, if you're out there, I hope this is the right stock, because I think you said, at least in my notes, I have Landcadia Holdings II, stock ticker LCA. I could not find that. So I don't know if something happened to that, if they got bought out, or what. But today we're going to be evaluating Landcadia Holdings III, stock ticker LCY. So I hope this is the correct one, and let's get to it. Okay, so this is going to be different than any other analysis I've shown on here. And it's going to be short as well, because first thing I noticed is this is a blank check company. What is that, you're probably asking? I brought up a Google or a definition over here of what that is. A blank check company is a development stage company that has no specific business plan or purpose, or has indicated its business plan is to engage in a merger or acquisition with an unidentified company or company's other entity or person. So what the hell does that mean? That means this company has no operations. You see lots of zeros here, and they have 64 million shares outstanding and lots of zeros. They have literally zero operations, is what this means. They do have some debt, and they have some debt over here. Other than that, this is all zeros. The same thing, the valuation. So, what does this mean? What is a blank check company in a real world sense? Let me get you back over here, because frankly, there's nothing to look at over here, as you just saw. So, what does that really mean? A blank check company in a real world sense is a publicly traded company that is available on the stock market. Most of the time, these companies look to be bought out by a private company that wants to go public, but they don't want to go through the IPO process. So, for example, if an over-the-counter listed or pink sheet stock wanted to uplist, say, to the stock market, and I don't even know what stock market this one's listed on, but let's say they wanted to uplist to the New York Stock Exchange, for example. Let's say where this company is listed at. They could do that. The normal route is to go through an IPO, through investment bankers, and do the roadshows and all that. There are other ways to IPO on the stock market. You can buy a public company. If you're a private company or you are listed on the OTC markets, you can buy all their shares and become a publicly listed company without doing an IPO, a normal IPO. Another term for this is called typically a reverse merger. It's not necessarily good or bad either way. You do need to be careful with these kind of companies though, because some companies do these kind of IPOs or these reverse mergers, and you don't have to go through the vetting process that investment bankers put you through. So some terrible companies can get through here. Are all of them terrible? No. But with these kind of companies, you need to be ultra careful. This one, again, or let me rephrase that. For these kinds of companies, if they do a reverse merger, you need to be careful. So for Landcadia, what they're doing now is they own, essentially, what they're doing here as a blank check company in a real world sense is they're essentially holding the rights as a public company, and they're hoping, or they're either hoping or they're trying to negotiate and find a private company, in all likelihood, that wants to go public, but they don't want to pay for the IPO process. And again, that's not necessarily good or bad, because IPO processes are stupidly expensive, ridiculously expensive. So again, like I emphasized earlier, some of these companies that do these reverse mergers, terrible. Not all of them are. Frankly, I don't know how to analyze this company because there's no numbers. So, KeJonah, again, I hope this is the right stock that you're wanting me to look at. Frankly, I offer no analysis other than a bit of a teaching lesson here to show everybody what a blank check company is. But frankly, I can't analyze anything because there are no numbers or information to analyze. So I hope this is the right stock you were looking for. If it's not, let me know and I'll reevaluate the other stock. Again, I looked for Landcadia Holdings II LCA stock ticker. I could not find that on Morningstar. I found this one, Landcadia Holdings III. So if this is not the right company, if the other one got bought out, if they merged, if Landcadia Holdings II merged with another company, if a private company, for example, bought out Landcadia Holdings II and became a public company, let me know and I'll analyze that company for you. But honestly, I can't analyze anything here. So I hope this was interesting at the very least. I hope this was a good teaching moment. Learning about something, a couple things, blank check companies and reverse mergers that are pretty rare, or at least rare in the mainstream. But always interesting to talk about these kind of different subjects. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video and you like our other videos, make sure to like, love, share, subscribe, and comment, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we release a new video, and release new videos all the time. If you're listening on the podcast, make sure to like, love, share, subscribe, all that good stuff as well. And we'd really appreciate a review, because the more reviews, views, and listens we get, the more people we can help. If you're looking for those free resources I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you can get them below. We have free videos below from our other stock analysis videos. You can get those for free below. You can also get 5 free gifts below, which includes my valuation and analysis templates I use every time I evaluate a stock. You can get a free copy of my book, How to Value Invest, a free PDF copy for free, and you can also get a copy of our guide, 7 tips to picking great stocks and 3 times you must sell. If you're looking for more specific help on how to become a great investor faster, make sure to check out the link to our masterclass below this. And until next time, have a great day. Talk soon. Bye.